Hey, I'm Marco from HTS Engineering. Today we're going to be talking about the rooftop units.
My name's Chris Clark from Echo Electric. We're going to be doing the training on the electrical system for the Springdale Library.
I'm George Rounces with Johnson Controls. These two chillers here are magnetic bearing chillers.
My name is François Tanguay. I'm a technician for Wajax Power System. We are here to cover the sequence of operation of those generators.
Okay, so on this side of the engine, this is primarily where you're going to spend your time as the operator in this building.
So we're going to start with some basic photovoltaic principles. So now we're on the roof and we're looking at the solar array. All the cables come in on this wire tray and they're plugged into the inverters. So that's what it's outputting right now.
And you can check your low fire here. There's different outputs you can check, but you'd have to look at the manual to see what they mean. And also in the same menu, you can see the fault history of the boiler.
This will sound off, which you'll get a signal on the BAS. That's just telling you your pit is at the high level.
You can change the sensitivity of the two sensors. So you have an ultrasonic sensor in there and an infrared sensor in there.
For the testing, we'll be using two canisters. Basically, one is 60 ppm and the other one is 200 ppm.
So each zone, you can do that. You can bring each zone to a certain percentage of light, or you can control here, which does all of them at once. And then your last one on the bottom is completely off. Yes.
To let it come up, you just press any button. When you come in here to do your check weekly, off.
So it should just twist and fall out.
You've got the services exhaust, the reference drawing.
All right, thank you for coming, thank you for showing, and have fun.